Welcome to my channel Learn SQL with Shahid. In last class we have completed unattended installation, which is also known as command based installation. So in today's class we will be discussing about installation troubleshooting. Okay, so for 2008 R2 till 2025 everything is the same, but there is slight difference in between from 2008 to 2016. But there will be multiple folders, okay, like for global rules, component update and installation. There will be for each folder there will be individual summary files, and so in 2017 the 2025 there will be only one there will be only one folder. In that we can find all this global rules, component update and installation. So I'll be showing you that in my further discussions. So what we like I will be showing you guys this 2022 installation. So if I go to here folder, see here I have opened there C drive, program files, Microsoft SQL Server. Here if you will see here this has C program files. Microsoft SQL Server is known as base directory, and whatever you are finding here 80, 90 folder, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, everything belongs is known as a shared folder. It depends whatever the versions we are installing. Like we have installed already here 16 version, 2016 version, 2017 version. This is known as MS SQL 16 dot means 2022, and MS SQL 17 dot means 2025. So it refers to 2025. This is 170 and 160 refers to 2022. So I will be telling you in order. 80 refers to 7.0, that is 2000 version. 90 refers to 2005 SQL Server. 100 refers to 2008 version. Okay, 2008 and 2008 R2 100.5 something, that is, and 110 refer to 110 refers to 2000. 120 refers to 2014 SQL Server, 130 refers to 2016 SQL Server version, 140 refers to 2017, and same 150 refers to 2019. This is 160 2022 and 170 2025. So everything like this and all are known as shared folder. Whatever the 16 we have installed here, this is the actual installed root directory, actual installation root directory, you can say installation root directory. So if anything like this instances we have in already in our laptop, right? So this installation, if we'll say everything whatever we need to troubleshoot, this summary .txt file, global rules, and that component update, also that in actual installation everything we can find here. If I go to logs, setup, bootstrap, and here log file, you can find here this is the old installation. This is actually landing page, okay, first page. So I wanted to show you that everything it is present in 2022 installation. If I do everything, it is present in 160 folder. Okay, so hope you got this point, and so I will be doing this installation now. So I will open this 2022 folder. I have already the SQL media in SQL media 2000 SQL Server 2022. So if I right click on this and run as administrator, as you see here, now the time is 10:45. Yeah, at the moment I have clicked that setup.exe. So this is known as landing page. Like if you go to Google, if there you can find home page, right? Same, and that when I at the time of setup, I click that, it will I will find here landing page. So if you see here time, here it is 10:48. Here also see you can see the same 10:28. If I open this, here it will be the landing page details. So again, if I go and install here, again one more file folder should be generated. So in 2007, from 2017 they made everything in one folder, that global rules component update. This is the global rules. Okay, it is asking include SQL Server update. Okay, I am not updating anything right now, so I will be clicking on next. If you observe here in log only, yeah, one more file has been generated. Like whenever I click on install, okay, new SQL Server, one more folder has been created. This is old, okay, I can delete this also, no issue. So I have deleted, it will not cause any confusion to you guys. So here at 10:45 I have like clicked on setup.exe. So this landing page we can see here. If I go to that new SQL Server standalone installation, you can find here, see here. So this is global rules. Whenever global rules start, you can find one more folder. So I'll be clicking on next. Whatever I am doing now, it is component update phase. Okay. So I will be performing new SQL Server installation. Already I have this many instances. Okay, in my laptop. So I'll be clicking next. Developer only. So this and all we know, as I discussed in my previous classes. And if you someone wants to see the installation, you can go and check my video. In my previous I have explained everything. So I will be not going with Azure SQL extension. Clicking on next. So I am clicking on data components of SQL Server is database services, SSRS, reporting services, SSIS, integration services, and SSS, analysis services. Will be more mainly focusing on database services. Okay. So I will be clicking on SQL Server application. Everything that clients tool backward compatibility and clients tool connectivity, everything it is been included in this only. So I will be clicking on next. So whenever you will be doing, you will be finding here. Okay, these two folders. You will in this in 2000 from 2008 to 2017 you will be 2016. Okay, 2008 to 2016 will be finding like for global rule one folder, for component update one folder, for actual installation one folder, like that. For everything you can find summary.txt files. Okay, here we'll be finding only one summary.txt. Okay, summary.txt file. Yeah, this one is the global. When I started global rules, this file will be generating. So I will be giving here named instance MS SQL 2022 underscore something like 2. I will give next. Learn for from volume maintenance start. I will be giving automatic this SQL Server agent. I will be clicking on next. So you can choose whatever you need. I will add my user. Okay, add SHHID Shahid, check names. Okay, you click on next. I will be giving this I will be changing to mixed authentication here. What is this mixed authentication essay? I will be, you should wait for level 2. I will be discussing there. Okay. Give an essay password. I change it to Windows authentication and SQL authentication mode. That is known as mixed authentication. I will be clicking next install. So when I click install, you will be finding here configuration file.ini. This means like whatever the configuration we have selected, right, database services replication, I have added the user and NT authority for agent services, NT authority for SQL main services, and also this where this data file is located, log file is located, and also the where this error log should be there. Everything is present in configuration file.ini. Okay, so here that is this file means. Okay, so browser is startup type is automatic, like that you can find here SQL max memory and all it is there here, 10 db. As I discussed everything these things in installation session. If someone wants, see agent, someone wants can go and check my previous videos. So yeah, so yeah, lots of files are generating at the time of installation. So let us wait till this finish and see. Also we have you have seen this detail and the till configuration file.ini. This and all has generated now. Okay, you can see the time as well, 10:55. Now the time is 10:56. Okay. Now this installation has been completed, SQL services and replication services. So I will close this. As I said, there will be multiple files it will generate. As you see here, multiple files are generated. So why we are today for as our motto in this class, we are here to troubleshoot. Okay, so the installation is successfully completed. Okay, so there is no failure. If in case the installation will be failed, where we need to go and where we need to search for error. So what we need to do, today's discussion is that, so first whenever the installation gets failed, right, as of now I cannot show you anything I can wantedly fail this installation, so I can't do that. So it should fail by itself. Okay, naturally I can say that. So first if you want to troubleshoot, you need to go to this program files, MS SQL, to this whatever the installation have performed, right, everything I have done for MS SQL 2022 underscore 2, everything it is present in 160 folder. If you open this, see here, this is the shared folder for 2022. Okay, everything 2022 instances shared folder. As you see, for this everything shared folder is this thing only. So if I go to setup bootstrap, first you need to verify the summary.txt file. Okay, if here everything action start time end time, okay, start time is this and time is this. It took almost 6 minutes to complete the installation, and installation is passed here, if you can see. So no need to no troubleshoot anything. If in case if it is fail, you can see here, okay, in summary.txt file. There is one find, you can find as Watson bucket to find the error logs, okay. That is recommended by Microsoft and given that convention to troubleshoot. Like if this is not passed, okay, it is in failed state, you can type control F and you can search for Watson BUC bucket, okay. You will not find any Watson bucket because there is no failure, so you can't find, okay. So if you search in that case up, if you scroll up and down, you can find some error. There is some clue to config means to troubleshoot and deep dive into that issue, and take that error log, and you can go to Google and check that errors in Google and find out what is the issue. So that is one possibilities in summary.txt file. If you won't find anything, this is the landing page. Just you can ignore this. The main thing is this global rules, okay, component. So if it fails, you can go to individual log files. That is CPU here, SQL engine underscore core underscore inst underscore CPU 64 underscore 1. If you go to this file, here also you can find, okay, everything. Like you can search for that errors kind of thing in control F, and you can find Watson bucket, or else you can find error like that. If you find something like that, you have to scroll down, okay, everything here you can find, okay, in down here. If there is any errors, you can find here. So this is the successful installation. If that is also not possible, you can go to this another individual log file, that is SQL underscore engine underscore core underscore inst loc underscore CPU, okay. If you won't find in first, you can go to second individual file and you can search here, okay. So if any error is there, you can go and troubleshoot and fix the issue. So here also, if you won't find anything, then you can go to the details.txt. Like this is, it acts as core.local as in 2005 version. We are not discussing about that. You can go to this detail.txt file, okay. So you can find into this, and if you won't find here also, here one more summary file is there here. This file is same like whatever we saw outside, right? Here log, in log file, same file is that also, because means there is one option given, okay, by Microsoft. We can see there also, or here also, outside also. Means whenever we do the installation, the summary.txt file is generated. If we do, I have completed this installation, so this date is 22, means 10:57, okay. So I have completed this. If I do one more installation, this will overwrite and append, okay, this installation. Whenever we'll be doing new installations, many installation, it will append, okay. There will be only one summary file. Keep that in mind, okay guys. So if you won't find in summary also, you should find in this individual log file, the CPU 64 and CPU 641033 are the detail file. And also, like, if you won't find, you can find in summary file. If you can't find here also something, you can go to event viewer, run, you can take run, and you can go to event viewer like this, event vwr event viewer, okay. So here you can go to applications log, why it will be failed. Here you can search, okay, you can get a clue, okay. about that if the installation is failed. Okay, so here we have everything successful installation only. We have the installation has been not failed. If there is such case, if it is failed, you can go and troubleshoot and deep dive into the issue. Okay, so you will find here logs. Okay, whatever the applications logs are there, you can see in the event viewer. You can go on here at what time you have performed that installation, and you can see. So also one thing, whatever the installation you are doing, right, you can see the date. Okay, you can go and check the date here. Okay, you can open that folder what scenario it has failed. You can check the time and you can go and troubleshoot that file as well. Okay, so you can do that also. So in event viewer also you can go and check like this MS SQL Server if it is failed. Okay, if it is failed like this, you can find the error logs. Okay, so why I'm telling this and all, if someone in interview they will ask, you can say this answer. Okay, so at last if anything is there, if interviewer is expecting more and more, last answer is like t percent 10%. Okay, you can say this as well in answer. Here you have to go to that setup SQL setup dot file. Okay, in event viewer in percent 10% folder, you can find here SQL setup.log. Okay, in percent 10%, you can find that folder here and you can search the logs. Okay, here nothing is there, so it is not matching. Okay, you can't find anything. So one more time I will tell you guys to whatever the points you can tell in the interview. So like you can tell the answers. I can note it down whenever the installation gets failed. So you can first go to summary.txt file. Okay, summary.txt file, and that then if you won't find there anything, you can go to individual log files. Like here I have already discuss this like CPU 64. Okay, that is the 64, and also here CPU 64 1033. Okay, these files. Okay, you can say this has individual log files also. Okay, no need to remember this. And if anything like you can't find here also, then you can say if has details.txt. Okay, there you will go and search if any errors are there. So if there also you won't find, then I have to go to event viewer, and then last option is t percent 10%. In that you have to check for SQL setup.log. Okay, so this should be your answer. And at last if anything is expanding, you can tell as answer has percent win. So don't want this also, you can tell this much answer. Okay, summary.txt file, individual log files, and also inside that folder, right, global rules and folders, like you will find one folder. Now inside that you can find that summary.txt, one more file. Okay, so inside that folder you will find this individual log file, also this summary.txt file, also you will find detail.txt. You will find here If you won't find anything, then you will go to individual details.txt and then event viewer and then %temp%. This should be your answer in the interview as well. So hope you have understood about this installation troubleshooting. So I will be ending up with this and I will be connecting in next class. So thank you guys. Thank you for your patience, and if you like this video, please share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye.